Top 5 6-star hotels only the rich can afford. Hello and welcome to Travel and Migration Hub. Today we're going to take a look at the top 5 hotels that only the rich can afford. So let's dive right in. Number 1. The Verge AlArav in Dubai. This luxurious hotel is the epitome of extravagance. It features a helipad, a private beach, and suites designed to take your breath away. The hotel has a 7-star rating and is one of the most expensive hotels in the world. This iconic sail-shaped hotel is known for its over-the-top luxury and extravagance. The hotel boasts some of the world's largest and most luxurious suites, with private butlers and 24-karat gold-plated fixtures. The hotel also features a helipad on its roof, which numerous celebrities and dignitaries have used over the years. The hotel's private beach is on a man-made island and offers a stunning view of the Dubai skyline. Number 2. The Plaza Hotel in New York City. This historic hotel is located in the heart of Manhattan and has been a symbol of luxury since 1907. It's hosted numerous celebrities and presidents over the years. It features opulent suites, a grand ballroom, and a world-class spa. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the Plaza Hotel is a symbol of luxury and glamour. The hotel has been a favorite of celebrities and politicians since it opened in 1907. The hotel's opulent suites feature exquisite decor, high ceilings, and stunning city views. The Grand Ballroom, which has hosted countless lavish events over the years, is a sight to behold. The hotel's world-class spa offers a range of treatments and therapies designed to rejuvenate and relax. Number 3. The Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi. This stunning hotel is a true masterpiece of Arabian architecture. It has 394 rooms and suites, 40 meeting and conference rooms, and a private marina. The hotel also features an award-winning spa and some of the finest restaurants in the world. The hotel's 394 rooms and suites are all elegantly furnished and feature the latest amenities. The hotel's private marina is home to some of the most expensive yachts in the world. The hotel's award-winning spa offers a range of treatments inspired by traditional Arabic techniques. The hotel's restaurants, which include the renowned Mezzaluna and Sayad, are known for serving some of the finest cuisines in the world. Number 4. The Four Seasons Hotel George V in Paris. This hotel is known for its exceptional service, elegant decor, and Michelin-starred restaurants. It has 244 rooms and suites, each designed with the utmost attention to detail. The hotel also features a beautiful spa and a stunning courtyard garden. This legendary hotel is located just steps from the Champs-Élysées. It's known for its exceptional service and luxurious accommodations. The hotel's 244 rooms and suites are all beautifully appointed and feature exquisite decor and furnishings. The hotel's Michelin-starred restaurants, which include Le Cinq and L'Orangerie, offer a range of culinary delights. The hotel's beautiful spa, located on the top floor of the hotel, offers stunning views of the Paris skyline. Number 5. Last but not least, we have the Ritz-Carlton in Tokyo. This hotel is located in the heart of Tokyo and offers stunning views of the city skyline. It has 248 guest rooms and suites, each with a unique style and character. The hotel also features a world-class spa, Michelin-starred restaurants, and a stunning rooftop bar. This luxurious hotel is located in the heart of Tokyo and offers breathtaking views of the city skyline. The hotel's 248 guest rooms and suites are all elegantly furnished and feature the latest amenities. The hotel's restaurants, which include the renowned Hinokizaka and Azure 45, offer a range of culinary delights. Well, that's it for today. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to the channel to experience all travel updates. Thank you for watching.